Hello students, welcome to the class. As previous class we covered the respiration in human, in cockroaches, which are the part involved during the respiration. Today we will continue with the same. Now our discussion topic of respiration in organism or living organism which are present in water, which live under water. About them we will see how do they breathe, what are the organ which help them to respire or exchange of gases under water, inside the water. Okay, we have nose, lungs that help us to exchange the gases, that help us to breathe in and breathe out with the help of air present in the atmosphere. Okay, so directly we can take a oxygen which is present in atmosphere. Okay, but the animals, or what you can say, organism which are present in the water, which live underwater, they can't use oxygen from the atmosphere, because they have to live most of the time inside the water. Now from where they should take the oxygen? They should take oxygen which is present in water itself, inside the water. And we know oxygen, carbon dioxide, these gases can be dissolved in water as well. Okay, so fishes and other living organism or aquatic animals or aquatic organism, they take in oxygen, they use oxygen which are present in water only. Okay, they take oxygen from here, from the water, in the dissolved form. Which form? In the form of solution. Okay, so they use up oxygen which is present in the water. Correct. Now for taking oxygen from the atmosphere, from the air, we have lungs. Lungs are suitable, they can use the oxygen directly from the air. But here the living organism or the fishes, aquatic organism, they have to use up oxygen from the water. So for that, lungs is not what you can say comfortable. Lungs are not capable to take oxygen from the water. So that reason they have separate organ which help them to take in oxygen and release out the carbon dioxide to the atmosphere. Those are gills. What are those organisms? Those organs? Those are the gills. We call those organs gills. Okay. Okay, now gills are some kind of projection which are found in the side of their mouth. That I'll show you the picture. Wait a minute. So we can see these are the gills which are side of the mouth. These are the gills present in the fishes. These gills helps to take oxygen. How do they take oxygen? First they gulp the water, they intake water. Okay, and here red color you are seeing, no, these are the blood vessels. What are these? Blood vessels, blood capillaries, you can say. They absorb oxygen present in the water. Okay, and then whatever respiration takes place, they carry this oxygen to the site of respiration, where respiration takes place, and use up oxygen dissolve in the water with the help of gills. And after respiration, the byproduct which is formed, that is a carbon dioxide, is released out. Okay, what is released out? Carbon dioxide. This is how respiration takes place in the fishes. Now we'll discuss our next topic, that is the respiration in the plants. Okay, plants also respire. Why? Because they are also living organism. They also need oxygen to get the energy, because respiration only the process by which all living organisms get the energy. So daytime, or most of the time, they use carbon dioxide. Okay, till the sunlight is there, they use carbon dioxide to perform the photosynthesis. Okay, and when there is no sunlight in the night time, what the plant will do, whatever sunlight and carbon dioxide they used in the daytime, they convert the carbon dioxide plus water also they use. They absorb water from the soil. Okay, and they make starch, C6H12O6, that is the starch. What is it? Starch. That is a carbohydrate, you can say in short, that's a carbohydrate. That starch they use for their growth and development, for getting energy for their life processes, like they have to grow, they have to stay healthy, they have to reproduce. For all these things, plant also need energy. This energy they get by the respiration process, where this starch, glucose or starch, both are same, almost same. Glucose is a simple form of starch. Okay, so C6H12O6, that is a starch that combined with the oxygen and it release the CO2. Okay, in this process lot of energy is released that plant use here for life processes. Okay, this process takes place in the night time, and daytime plant perform the photosynthesis with the help of sunlight, and they prepare the food that night time they use this food for the respiration. Okay, this is how respiration takes place in the plants. Okay, now from where plant get this oxygen, okay, to respire? They use oxygen present in the soil. Suppose these are the soil particles. Okay, between the soil particle there is a space, little space is there. There which gas is present? Oxygen gas is present. Okay, that's why soil should be loose for good aeration. Okay, so here this oxygen is used by the root hairs. Suppose this is the plant. Okay, this is the plant. Fine, here is the leaves, this is the plants. Okay, these are the roots. Okay, these are the fine roots. These root hairs absorb oxygen from the soil. These root hair, what they do, they absorb oxygen from the soil. In the soil there is a space, little space is there. From in that air it will be trapped. From here, from this trapped air they absorb oxygen, and that oxygen they use for the respiration process. Correct. And in the night time, what happened? Which gas they release? They release the carbon dioxide. Daytime they use carbon dioxide, release oxygen. That is a byproduct of photosynthesis. But the night time they release carbon dioxide. So that's why our elders used to say, like, we should not sleep under the tea during the night, because they release the carbon dioxide, which may cause a headache, suffocation problem. Okay, so this respiration chapter we have covered so many topics. Respiration in the human, animal, then we have done in the cockroaches, okay, in the plants, fishes. So now we all come to know how the respiration process is important. Okay, this is very important process for the survival, for living. All living organism need to respire. Without respiration they cannot survive. To get energy, okay, when they want to get the energy they should use the oxygen. With that oxygen they get energy, then only they will be able to do all the processes, all the work which is necessary for their life. Okay, with this our chapter is completed. With the next topic will come next video. Till then, thank you, take care, have a nice day.